Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to trade with the candlestick psychology. Okay, the market is at sellers area, so I am going to place a put option here. I placed here a put option because you can see the market is at the seller zone. That's why I placed here a put option. Actually the market is not good, I think. So many weak candles and some strong candles also. So very weak candle. Again the buyers are strong, and the last bullish candle can be considered as an exhaustion candle. I think the trend is going to reverse from that level. That's why I placed here a put option. Don't worry, it will reject and close as bearish, and it should be, there is no possibility to be a bullish candle. If it is bullish candle without any rejection, we can go with the buyers. Okay, you can see the sellers are entering. It's a very weak candle, so I'm going to do some compounding. So okay, I need to change the amount. It's a reversal candle actually, so we can go to sellers. Okay, I'm going to place a put option. Oh, it's very late entry, I think, but we are seeing a strong sellers entry. Okay, no problem. But if the market make any, because now the market is at the buyer zone. Okay, you can see rejection also. If there is any weak candle, I will definitely lose the trade because my entry is very late. That's a problem of 1 minute trading, because the fast momentum will affect our trades. Most of the time I lose because of my late entry. But the candle should be bearish. That definitely sure. That's 100% sure. Definitely it will be bearish. Okay, you can see it's closing below my, I think, oh, it was a losing trade. Okay, no problem. Okay, again we can go with $5. I'm going to place a put option. I placed here a put option. Okay, again I'm going to place one more. Okay, I placed 2 times because I know the next candle from this level should be 100% bearish, because the candle made a new low. We can see rejection, but now the buyers changed their entry point. Okay, so that's why I placed here a put option 2 times, because I know the next candle from that level should be bearish, not bullish. Okay, that's why I placed here a put option. And also the present candle may break the wick of the previous candle too. I think the market is going to reverse from that level. That's why we are seeing sellers entry like this. Okay, it's a winning trade, but here maybe buyers make a retracement because the market is now in buyers area, so we can go with the buyer side, but I need a margin of safety, otherwise it may lose my trade, because of the strongness of that bearish candle there is a possibility to made another bearish too, so better to avoid. So okay, in this pair the market is going down. Now the market is at in reversal area. Okay, if the candle closes bullish, we can go to buyers, because now the market is at the seller buyers area. Its whole area is a buyers level. Okay, it's a bearish candle, so we can go to the sellers. I placed here a put option because the next candle should be bearish, because in front of seeing buyers I am seeing a seller's candle. That's why I placed here a put option, and it will be bearish, not bullish. It's a buyer's area, I know that, but I expect to close the previous candle as a bullish candle, but in front of seeing a bullish candle I am seeing a bearish candle. That's why I placed here a put option. Today I'll take 5 compounding trades. I think it's market is in ranging, and also it cannot be okay. Here we can go with the bias. I think okay. I'm going to place a higher option. I placed here. Oh, I forgot to enter the change the amount. I think okay, no problem. But the candle should be bullish. It was a winning trade. Here again we can go to sellers. I placed here a put option because of the strong candle. After breakout we are seeing a strong bearish candle, means the sellers want to go more down. The sellers are interested at that area. Okay, it's a strong candle in the middle of the trend, means it will go more down. Don't worry, it will reject. Okay, you can see it's rejecting. There is a weak candle, I think. It may be a reverse, I think, because the candle is very weak. So it's better to avoid this pair. Okay, no problem. We can trade in some another pair. It may continue to, because of the momentum. It may continue, but we don't know if there is any level or not. So it was also a winning trade. Here I think the next candle should be bullish, but we are seeing a seller's entry. But the previous candle made a no high also. That's why I am telling that the next candle from this level is bullish. Okay, we can see some buyer's entry. If the candle is bullish, we can go to the buyers. If the candle is weak candle, we need to go to the sellers. Okay, I think the candle, we can see some weak sellers entry. Okay, I'm going to place here a put option. Okay, I placed here a put option because in front of seeing buyers, I'm seeing a seller's candle. I agree that it's a weak seller's candle, but in front of seeing a buyer's candle, I am seeing a weak seller's, means the sellers are interested in that area. That's why I placed here a put option, and it should be bearish and not bullish. I placed that trade on the basis of the price action only. Okay, it should be bearish, and it may broke that line too, because the market try to break. I think the market is trying to break that level. Okay, it was a winning trade. Okay, it should be my last trade. It's go to the sellers. Also we can expect a, okay, here we can go to the buyers, I think. Okay, I'm going to, but I need a good entry, otherwise if the market make any weak candle, okay, no problem. Okay, we need to look at another pair. Here I think the market is at this level, is at sellers area now. But its all area is a sellers area, and okay, here I'm going to place a call option. Okay, I placed here a call option. Okay, good entry point. If the market make any doji candle, I will definitely win this trade because of my margin of safety, but I expect to close this as a bullish, because after that strong candle we are seeing a continuation sign, and now the market is going up. Okay, it's a sellers area, but in front of seeing sellers, I am seeing a weak bullish candle with a new high. So we can again expect a bullish candle from that level. That's why I placed here a call option. Okay, it's going up. You can see it's going up. I'm recording this video after 1 minute. I don't know why my screen recorder was accidentally off. I expect that because of some technical issues, but it was a winning trade. Just wait, I will show you the result. Anyway, I'm going to close this section. Okay, just wait, I will show 1 second. Okay, you can see that it was a winning trade. Okay, anyway, I'm going to close this section. Thanks for watching my video.